Here it is, my breakfast, and today I'm on a technical high, tech high. This is an Indian trick. They usually call this Panchamrutham. That means 5 ingredients which make into elixir of life. If you eat Panchamrutham with all these 5 ingredients properly balanced within it, it is definitely supposed to be very good for any kind of thyroid balancing, keeping everything balanced because it's very vital. My lovely bananas are the only things, fortunately, you can't keep them in the refrigerator, so they're doing fine. Just slice the bananas into thin slices, depending on how you want it. If you want a little mushy, make it really thin, otherwise… There you are. Here is some jaggery. This is actually palm sugar, but even regular jaggery will do. Ghee, ghee. I'm not much for this ghee business, so I put little. This is important. Without cardamom, it won't get the necessary flavor. Need to put little cardamom. I've been traveling for last 39 years without… I'm generous with honey because probably till late evening, this is the only meal I'm gonna have. There's a problem to get the honey off the spoon. There's only one trick. The curd or yogurt is not in its best condition, it's gone a bit sour, but still usable. Groundnut or coconut, if you have a fresh coconut, unbroken, well, you got packaged food. Today, Panchamrutham turning little luxurious. This is the only meal of the day till late evening. So, normally it's 5 ingredients, but I think I put more. I even have some cashew nuts and cut them up a little bit so that the nuts don't stand out as it does in the world. No, I'm just being not so nice, but what would one stopped? Even cashew nuts, when I trekked, it was largely cashew nuts, raisins, which has kept me alive. I have not forgotten them. I'm always grateful to them. Here it is, my breakfast, and today I'm on a technical high, tech high. You like my breakfast? Sorry, this is all I have today and you're too far away.